Hello students, welcome back to my channel again. Today I am going to discuss about the matrix. So it's very important. You see, what is called matrix? A matrix is a rectangular arrangement of some numbers or elements or functions in terms of rows and columns enclosed by it is square bracket or it is first bracket, such that each row or column have same number of elements. Student, you see, this is the definition of matrix. So let me tell first of all about row and column. You know, this is called horizontal line, and horizontal line is called row, and this is called vertical line, and vertical line is called column. So that is the idea of row and column. Now let us describe the definition just with an example. Suppose I have some elements like A, B, C, D. These are 4 elements, suppose. Now we can arrange these 4 elements, you see, like A, B, C, D within this bracket, or within the first bracket also you can write A, B, C, D. Then this arrangement is called a matrix. Here you see there is only one row and there are 4 columns, because A is in the first column, B is in the second column, C is in the third column, and D is in the fourth column. So in this arrangement there is only one row and 4 columns. Other way we can arrange again these 4 letters like A, B, C, D within this bracket, or within the first bracket same way A, B, C, D. This is also called a matrix. You see, here you have 2 rows. A, B is the first row, C, D second row, and AC first column, B, D second column. So here it is 2 rows and 2 columns. Or other way also you can write like A, B, C, D. In that way also we can arrange the letters. These are within the first bracket A, B, C, D. But here you see there are 4 rows. A is in the first row, B in the second row, C in the third row, and D is in the fourth row. But there is only one column, A, B, C, D. This is one column. So this is the definition of matrix, and these are the example. Okay. Now let us see. In the definition of matrix, there is one important point. That important point is that each row or column have same number of elements. Student, you see, important point of the definition, you see, there must be same number of elements in each row or column. Students, you see, suppose if you take an example like A, B, C, D, E within the bracket, this one, is it a matrix? No, because there is no element in this place. That's why this is not a matrix. Or you can say like 3 elements in the first row, but there are only 2 elements in the second row. That's why this is not a matrix. So this is the important point in the definition of a matrix. Let me tell about order of a matrix. What is called order of a matrix? You see, suppose a matrix is written like A, B, C, D, E, F. This is a matrix, and for this matrix you see there are 2 rows, A, B, C first row, D, E, F second row, and there are 3 columns, A, D, B, E, C, F. So here is row number of row equal to 2 and number of column equal to 3. That's why its order is defined as 2 by 3. 2 into 3, write 2 into 3, but you have to read like 2 by 3. So its order is 2 by 3. You remember the first number always represents number of rows and second number always represents number of column. So this is called order of a matrix. Suppose a matrix have m rows and n columns, then its order equal to m by n. So first number always represents rows and second number represents column. This is called order of a matrix. Now let me tell about the position of the elements of a matrix. You see, suppose how can you write the position of the elements of a matrix? Students, let us take an example. Suppose 1, 2, 3, it is a 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is a matrix, and in this matrix you see 1, the element 1, its position is first row, first column. That's why it is written as A11. 11 means first row, first column. So A11 equal to 1. Number 2 lies in the first row and second column. That's why its position is written as A12. A12 equal to 2. Number 3 lies in the first row and third column. That's why its position is A13. A13 equal to 3. Like that, you see 4. 4 is in the second row but first column. That's why its position is A21. 21 equal to 4. 5 in the second row but second column. That's why it is A22. 22 equal to 5. And 6 in the second row and third column, its position is written as A23 equal to 6. Like that, 7. 7 is in the third row but first column. That's why its position is written as A31 equal to 7. 8 in the third row and second column. That's why it is 32 equal to 8. And 9 in the third row and third column, that's why it is written as A33 equal to 9. So in that way, we denote the position of the elements of a matrix.